Thanks to the internet, there is an endless number of ways to make money online. Here are just 5 ways you can make some extra money on the side. Making more money could likely solve a lot of your problems. In the past, we've talked about how teens can make money, but for those of us who are a little older, we need something a little more sophisticated than the $10 that comes from mowing lawns. Luckily, in the age of the internet, making extra money, or your whole paycheck, online is incredibly easy if you know where to look. 1. Take surveys online. Swagbucks. Swagbucks allows you to earn points and then redeem them for gift cards or cashback. And the cashback option is available for over 1,500 retailers including Amazon, Starbucks, Target, etc. Lots of options. Here's how it works. You earn points by shopping through their portal, filling out surveys, watching videos, etc. The best part is it's free to sign up. Plus, they are currently giving a $10 sign-up bonus. 2. Become a freelancer. If you have a talent, chances are, you can sell your skill. Whether you're a writer, artist, graphic designer, photographer, etc., there's a freelance gig for you. Let's cover a few possible freelance angles for you to take. Freelance writing. It's easier than ever to become a freelance writer. All of our writers at Money Under 30 are freelancers. With that being said, if you're just starting out, it can be difficult to find a writing job that will pay you more than pennies. We have advice here on how to actually get hired for a freelance job. Also, a good place to start looking is Fiverr. It's called Fiverr because most people would charge just $5 for their services. Some people still do that, others charge a lot more. 3. Download money-making apps. My Points is one of my favorites. You can earn up to 40% back on all your purchases at 2,000 top retailers like Walmart, Home Depot, Best Buy, and Amazon. They also offer promo codes at tons of online stores. One of my favorite things about My Points is that you can redeem your points whenever you want. All you have to do is can cash out and get gift cards, or you can transfer the cash to your PayPal account. It's actually very easy. Finally, Swagbuck, another cool option, lets you earn gift cards and cash for shopping online, watching certain videos, and answering surveys. You can redeem points for cash through PayPal, or get gift cards from retailers like Amazon and Walmart. 4. Create a blog. To start earning money by blogging, you'll need to use certain advertising tactics. The best for startup blogs is advertising and affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing makes it possible for small blogs to stay in business. Rather than getting paid per 1,000 page views or per click, which is the traditional model, affiliate advertising involves an advertiser paying an affiliate publisher, your blog, when it refers to a paying customer. 5. Become YouTube famous. If you're good at talking in front of a camera and have an idea, product you want to discuss, YouTube could be the perfect platform for you. You can earn money on YouTube in a variety of ways. Become a YouTube partner. The big money on YouTube is if you meet the requirements to become a partner. This year, YouTube changed the requirements to become a partner. You need to have a channel that has reached 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. When you're a partner, you start earning by how many views you receive. Connect to Google AdSense. Once you become a YouTube partner, you can connect to Google AdSense, their advertising system. You'll be paid based on the number of impressions your videos get. That's when someone clicks on or watches an ad.